Everyone, today I decided to do something different. I'm going to lure my cat out of this room before so I can do my chores. My mom does not want them in the room at all. The thing is, I don't have any cat toys, so I gotta use this. Come on. Come get it. Come get it. Come here. Come on, come on. Over here. Over here. Come on. Come on. Come get it. Come on. Come on. So close to getting out. Come on. I shake this thing back and forth over and over. Get this guy out. Okay. So close. And now I just gotta pick him up and get him out. Or I could just lure him out. Oh no. The other one's here. Shit. Damn it. Got it back out. Okay, come on. Come get it. Come on. Come get it. Come get it. Come on. Go. Okay. Ah, damn it. Yeah. There we go. Get it. Come on. He's so close. Okay. My arm is so tired right now. Come on. I have to do I have to get basket of laundry. This one over here. See that? You have to get that basket of laundry and start trying to do. Damn it! The other one got in. The other one's much easier to get out. This one, not so much. Come on. Fine. I'm going downstairs to get the cat toys. No one doesn't want people seeing the house, so I'm gonna have to cover up the camera. Yeah. Found a cat toy. Basket of them. This is the one with the sound. This is the one that's got a bit of ring to it. Oh my god, they're both out already. They both got out. Aw. Now, the easiest way to lure a cat out is by making sure the toy does not make any. Or do that. Do that right there. Okay. I'm gonna go see. Laundry out. Door closed. That was close. Okay. We got him. Aw. Thank God I closed that door. So this has been messing around with cats so I can do my chores. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.